Hi everyone, this is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect vegetable ugwu sauce. Vegetable ugwu sauce. Ugwu. In fact, let's begin. The name says. So, as you all know, we have our ingredients here. We have our ugwu, we have our pepper, we have our maggi and salt, we have our ororo, we have our curry and thyme, we have our sugar, we have our pepper, we have our salt board, and we have our epo. Tada! So right now, we'll now sieve this one like this. We'll take our salt board down and our bowl. We'll now take our ugwu, take our knife. So we'll now pick our ugwu. We'll pick it very neat. We're picking it one after the other. Make sure you pick it very clean and very unique. You know, I love neatness in my kitchen. So right now, we'll now carry all our ugwu. Then we'll now slice it. So this is the best way to cut your perfect ugwu sauce. As you can see, I'm cutting it very neat, not too small, not too big. This is the perfect way to cut it. So right now, we will now transfer this our ugwu inside our bowl. Then we'll start the cooking properly.
I told your mom to let you go and study in Nigeria.
So right now, we'll now on our gas. So as you can see, this is our empty pot. So right now, we'll now pour water inside our pot.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good.
So right now, we'll now take our specially made ugwu that we have already sliced into pieces. We'll now pour it inside our water. So right now, we'll now take our salt.
You are doing lunatic encyclopedia petrification of gigantic.
We'll take our maggi. We'll now take our curry and thyme. So right now, we'll now take our epo. Then we'll now put it there. So right now, we'll now use this cover to take the measurement. You know, things are very hard in Nigeria now. You don't need to be wasting something.
Yeah, I will soon beat someone's child. I will soon beat someone's child.
You pour it. Then you now pour the last one. So we are here to put our pepper inside our specially made vegetable. So we now pour our pepper.
Jesus! Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
So right now, we now cover our specially made vegetable. As you can see, the process of this our specially made vegetable ugwu is long. But you should not worry. You know, Yoruba people used to say, before you close your eyes, open your eyes, anything that you want to do will have been done. So let's try it.
God have mercy upon us.
Tunix Film shot it.